hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to enable biometric login on Samsung Pay, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open Samsung Pay. Launch the Samsung Pay app on your device. This is where you will manage your payment settings. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines or the gear icon in the top corner to open the settings menu. This is where you can adjust various features. Step 3. Select security. In the settings menu, look for the security option and tap on it. This is where you can manage your biometric options. Step 4. Enable biometric login. Find the option for biometric login and toggle it on. You may need to authenticate using your fingerprint or face recognition at this point. Step 5. Test the login. Close the app and reopen it to test if the biometric login works. If it doesn't, double-check that your biometrics are set up in your device settings. Sometimes, if your fingerprint is not registered properly, it may not recognize you. Now you're all set to use biometric login on Samsung Pay. Enjoy the convenience of quick and secure payments.